Well, hello there. Welcome again to another edition of your everyday web and software tips. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily design this mockup you see on your screens using Canva. So if you have a logo or you have a label and you want to put it on an actual product so people see how it actually looks like when it's printed, I'm going to show you exactly how to get the right mockup for your product. So without wasting time, let's begin. So to get started, just open up your Canva. And when you open up your Canva, as you can see, just go to apps. In the apps section, just click on SmartMockups. So when you come to SmartMockups, you can see there are a whole lot of inspirational product mockups that you can use for your project. So there are mockups for devices, there's mockup for print, there's mockup for packaging, there's mockup for apparels. Let's just say you go to the packaging section and you go for cosmetics. So let's just say you have a label that you want to put on a product so people see how it actually looks like, or you can even post on your social media. So you have a ton of mockups in here. Now with these mockups, all you need to do is just upload your image and Canva will do the magic for you by just placing it on these products or on these containers for you. So there are a ton of them that you can scroll through and see the one that you want to get. So if we go back, let's go for packaging for the mockup that we want to design, and let's just say I want to do one for supplements. So my product has to do with supplements and I've designed a label which I want to put on a product. So when you scroll through, you can see different products that you can place your labels on. Let's go for this one. Now it will take a minute to open. Now when it opens, you can see that you can just, all you need to do now is just select the label that you want to put on this mockup. So our mockup has finished loading here. So let's select the image that we want to place on this mockup. I already have one that I've already prepared that I want to place on this mockup, and it's this label you see right here. So this is where you upload any image at all that you want to place on this mockup. So if you have a label, if you have a logo which you want to place on any mockup, this is where you just click on upload and it will allow you to upload the design or the image from your computer. So going back, let's click on this image or this label and let's click on select. So Canva will try and place this label on our mockup and it will give us a preview of how it will actually look like. So as you can see, our image is nicely placed on the our container here right now. Now when you look at it closely, you can see the top section and the down section are not actually filled up with our label. So we need to adjust the image. So just hit on the adjust button and then just scale the label for it to fit the whole area. Once that is done, just hit on, or you can just come here and click on either fill or fit. So if you say fill, it fills the whole rectangle. If you say fit, it will just resize for the whole label to fit the rectangle. So if we save that, you can see it's still the top and down is not filled. So going back to adjust, let's click on fill and that fills the whole section, and then we can hit on save. So now you can see it fills the whole area that it needs to fill. So with this we are done with our first mockup. You can see it's nicely done here. So maybe you want to use this as a preview of how your product will look after it's printed. So you can easily get this mockup or use this as a display on your website or on your social media pages. So once you're okay with this, you can hit on save and it will allow you to download your final mockup. So after you click on download, it'll bring you to this page where you can just save your image. So just click it on download and you can now save this onto anywhere on your desktop or on your computer. For me, I'll just save it on my desktop, and I have my mockup nicely done in a PNG format. So with this done, let's just do one for a website. So let's just say we've designed a website and want to get a mockup for that website. Let's say I want to go with this one, this laptop here, by clicking on it. Now scrolling through, let's just see which mockup I would like to go with, maybe this one. And now mind you, some of these mockups come with the pro version. So if you are already not on a pro version of Canva, then you can also get Canva for free, the pro version for free for a month, and then after that you'd have to pay for it. So now let's go for this mockup here. Now the image of my website I've uploaded it already. So if you want to create a mockup like this, just go to select, and I'll just select the image I want to use and then place it in there. Just take a minute to upload it. So our image has finally loaded, but as you can see, it's not really fitting as we want it to on this mockup. So we need to adjust the image. So go to adjust image and hit on fill. Now we just drag it to the section where we want to see on our mockup, which is the home page. Now once you are okay with this, just hit on save, and you can see our website has a really nice mockup done right underway. So just as we did for the first one, you can go ahead and save this mockup and download it as well. So this is how you can easily create free smart mockups in Canva. If you enjoyed watching this video and you found it helpful, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you've already not done so. You can also hit the notification bell so you are notified of all the new videos I'll be uploading very soon. Thank you very much for being with me on this video, on this tutorial, and I hope to see you in the next video.